Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Shazwani binti Muhammad Zaki with matric number J20A0688. I am a SCH student from Faculty Bioengineering and Technology. I want to demonstrate with the lab for projectile motion experiment. I have choose this experiment from 6 experiments that given. Projectile motion is the motion of an object thrown or projected into the air, subject to only the acceleration of gravity. The object is called a projectile. The motion of falling object is a simple one-dimensional type of projectile motion in which there is no horizontal movement. Principle of this projectile motion experiment is a cannonball is fired at different velocity and different angle to the horizontal. The relationship between the range, the height of projection, the angle of inclination, and the firing velocity are determined. While objective of this experiment is first to determine the dependence of range on projection with various angle which has been set that is 70 degree, 45 degree, and 30 degree. Second is to determine the dependence of range on projection with various initial velocity that is 7 meter per second, 12 meter per second, and 15 meter per second. And last is to determine the maximum height of range on projection for each test. Now, I will show you how I conduct this experiment. So, this is the projectile motion. Click lab. First, we need to make sure the mass is 17.6 kg. And we need to set up the diameter to 0.5 meter. And gravity is 9.81 meter per second square. Move the launcher to adjust the angle. And move the inertial speed to adjust the velocity. So now I want the launcher at 70 degree and the inertial speed at 12 meter per second. If you want to launch the cannonball, we need to click the red button. To measure the range, we can use this tool. I zoom in to make sure that I get the right size. Measure from the yellow line to get the range of result. Why? To measure the height of the cannonball, we also using this by upholding it. I use this to make sure that I get the right result for range and height. So this is the result of height as we can see. Then we just need to repeat the same procedure by changing the angle such as 45 degree and 30 degree. We also need change the initial speed such as 7 meter per second and 15 meter per second. In conclusion, the height and range can change by adjusting the starting angle and inertial speed.